Testing transformer using analog multimeter. So, a transformer is an electric induction device and it only works with alternating current. It consists of a primary and a secondary coil. Each coil may be wrapped around its own metallic core, or the coils may both be wrapped around the same core. The transformer works the same either way. Dito sa transformers, it only tests the continuity. Yung continuity test, it tells you whether there's a break in either of the coil wires, which is yung primary and secondary coil. So, to conduct this test, the transformer must be completely disconnected and you need to set the multimeter to read resistance in ohms. In our case, bago din lang naman yung ating transformers, so we don't have to disconnect it from a PCB. Kasi nga, hindi naman siya nakakonect sa PCB. So, next step is to touch the meter leads to the two input terminals of the primary coil, which is yung ating red test probes and black test probes. Wala naman siyang polarity, kaya kahit reverse yung test probes, okay lang. A very high or infinite resistance reading indicates a break in the circuit. If we are using a DMM, infinite resistance is denoted by open line on the screen. We can perform the same test on the output leads. If either coil registers infinite resistance or open line, the transformer needs to be replaced. In electronics, napaka-common na gamit yung step-down transformers. Pero ang meron ako dito is a center top transformer. Ang ginamit natin dito is times 10 kasi mas maraming coil yung primary kaysa sa secondary. Kapag nag-zero yun, ay parang wire na lamang siya. Just be reminded that coil is also called as winding, kaya hindi dapat tayo malito doon whenever we use different terms. Pareho din lang naman yun, winding or coil. Kapag hindi nag-deflect at nag-stay siya doon sa infinite ohm, that would mean that the wire is opened on the primary and secondary coil.